a lecture 4, and that was a formula lecture 4, formula and function lecture 4. We have discussed last thing, which was a text. Today's lecture number 5, and in that we are going to start from a discount. First of all, what discount is? Discount takhfif, just like in a amount or in a percentage or in a price, you're going to give something in a percentage less. Okay, so just like if I'm going to write here name item and unit price here. Okay, unit price item shoe, here suit, I'm going to write shirt, and three-piece suit. Here shoes price is 2500. Okay, shirt is on 560, and three-piece suit is 300. How much, dear? It is a 4000. These are the prices. Okay, three-piece suit, this thing, not on 300. Here right now, what I'm going to do here, discount. Okay, write the discount. How much discount the organization or the company or the shop is going to pay? Let's suppose I'm going to say discount 20%, 20%. Discount 20%. Okay, so 20% of this, how you're going to calculate, is equal to this multiplied by 20 or not, divided by 100 or not. So this is a 20% of the price or not? 20% of the price. Double click on that. For all, 20% is being calculated. So new price will be is equal to unit price minus discount. So the new price is 2000 you're going to pay. Clear this thing to you? Okay, this is I have done by two columns. I've done that by a two column. If I want to do by one column, and here discount 20% with new rates. Okay, 20% new price in one column I want to write. Okay, delete these cells, I don't need. And what I'm going to do here, just click on this cell, and I need text wrapping. Text wrap means all the data will come inside the one cell. Okay, is equal to unit price minus or minus here unit price multiplied by 20 divided by 100, closing bracket, and enter that. You will get 2000 new price or not. But right now people will not understand how much discount has been given. Okay, if I'm going to sell a shirt on 560, the new price is 448. Okay, so directly the new price is shown. Clear this thing, what a discount is. After this, we are going to start database functions, which are most useful functions. Database functions. Okay, first of all, database functions are here. I'm going to write the detail of the database function: dsum, dcount, daverage, dget, dmax, and dminimum function. So these are some functions which are mostly used in a database. Okay, so right now I'm going to start from a dsum function. For this function, first of all, you should have some data. So I'm going to find out some data for you. Right now I need a data, so I'm going to paste the data for dsum here, and the data is going to be pasted here. Name, position, salary. So what I'm going to do, I want to add the salaries of all doctors. So how this is possible? Directly it's not possible. Okay, I want to add the salary of all doctors. Okay, so what I'm going to do for that, I need, first of all, if I'm going to use sum function, simple sum function is equal to sum of a, here select the cells. If I want to sum of a doctor, so simple, here select it, sum all the data or not. right now, but I want just sum the salary of a doctor. So for that I need what? dsum function. Which function? dsum function. So for dsum function of all database function, we got 3 arguments. How many arguments? 3 arguments. I'm going to display that to you here. First of all, write the column name, position. Okay, right here position, okay, position doctor, here salary, sum of salary, right now is equal to dsum. Okay, first of all database, I've told you 3 argument: database, field, criteria. We need 3 argument for database function: database, field, criteria. Database college data. Okay, enemy college data is what? Database. After that field, which field is going to be sum? Kodam je sum में नहीं, salary sum में salary jam में ना में हाँ, salary. Third one is criteria. Criteria means che condition, che shartas. Okay, shart enemy is की position che basha doctor basha, और एक enemy select को और enter bracket को chansud shashadar, और check को enemy as यानी 6000 yak और 2000 yak 5000 yak digar yak 1000 chansud shashadar, all position change को. Okay, change the position. I am going to write engineer. Okay, so you can find out the report. The database functions are usually most for calculating reports. Okay, that I want. What we have done, 3 arguments I've used. Which arguments? 3 arguments I've used. I'm going to again display that here. First one is database. Select the whole data. Okay. Second one, field. Which field sum will apply? In which field or in which column sum will apply? And third one is criteria. Always criteria will be outside. Always criteria will be outside. So I have written position is equal to engineer. Enemy position spelling wrong. Usko enemy corner में all is position बजाय position here status. सिफर निशान में देना में था. Enemy column name or bola enemy column name yak bosha. This will be similar. This position, control C copy, and I'm going to paste it here. Then it will do that correctly. Right now, my position delete में करूँ. All is सही को college jump करी. College jump करी. My engine इस्ता में करूँ here manager. You got this thing? So this is a dsum database function, and it will sum the data on the basis of criteria. Okay, next one is, right now I'm going to apply the same function on another table. Here, item, unit price, quantity, and total amount. Item is a sugar, okay, and its unit price is 60 Fs, quantity 5 kg, and total become what? 300. How this has been calculated is equal to this unit price multiplied by quantity or not. So it becomes 300 or not. So all you're going to apply like that, or just apply for one and drag it down. Okay, is equal to here quantity multiplied by unit price, and enter that and apply this formula for all. So this is my shop and I'm going to sell this thing. At the end of the day, I want to check it out for how much money I have sold a sugar. So this is not directly possible. You're going to check that by the help of what? dsum function. Right now I'm going to apply that. Its columns are bigger, so I'm going to make it small so that visible to you, more clear. Okay, here dsum function, and item, right? Item, field name is what? Item or not? Okay, this is criteria I'm going to make. Okay, sugar, and total sale is equal to dsum function. First of all, database select or not? Database select all the data, comma, field. Which field is going to be selected? Total amount. Where is the total money? Total money is inside the total amount or not? Okay, here, and the last one is criteria, and criteria is where item is equal to sugar. So select this one, closing bracket, and enter that. So for 420 the sugar has been sold. Right now you can check it out. Okay, here 300 and another sugar, here 120. Chand Mesha 400 rupees. Understand this thing? Okay, so that is item and sugar. Here if it is 6, okay, 3 kg sale, 3 kg sale, so 180 or not? And right now check it out, the answer 480 automatically change or not? Here I'm going to change the product, means item. I'm going to write rice. Okay, so automatically it will show you total sale. Automatically it will show you total sale of a sugar. And I'm going to delete my column. Kulish sale nishan mein tha. How much money we got? How much money we got? Right now I'm going to write rice. Okay, rice. But I want to calculate chan kilo for ukkari. Chikada means chan kg. Okay, how much kg I have sold? So that is going to be calculated. That is going to be calculated by help of, yeah, the sum function if you're going to use. Okay, so quantity is there or not? Quantity. And I mean 5 kilo or 3 kilo. Jam mein shela mesha. Khochi rakam again same. Total kg sale. Okay, is equal to again the sum function or not? The sum function database same. Okay. Right now field kudam intikhab mesha. Quantity intikhab mesha, because we are going to sum a quantity. Okay, kg, and criteria is item is equal to rice. 14 किलो राइस फरोख्त कर दी, पैसा चंद में 19 और कमा आई एम गोइंग टू राइट शुगर 8 kg and its price is 480. So you can easily calculate the things by help of that or not? Clear this thing to you? Okay, so that is a database functions. By the help of that, calculation is too much easy. Clear? Okay, another one here we have one more function we are going to use, that is a dsum. I want to count here, I want to count the things how many times I have said. So for that I'm going to use dcount. How many times? So for times we're going to use what? Dcount. And if I'm going to see here a dsum or the average. Okay, right now I'm going to use one more example here. Names, marks, and the subject. I need subject also here. Control X cut, Control V, paste. Here, that is subject and computer application CA, operating system OS, and graphic designing GD. Okay, OS and GD and computer application. Okay, and computer application. Let's suppose the subjects, all these has been entered. Okay, what I'm going to do, if I want that how many students have given the exam of a computer application, how many students have given the exam of a computer application in supplementary exam, so what I'm going to do here, what function I'm going to use? Dcount. Which function? Dcount. Here is equal to dcount function. Also, first of all, no, I'm going to write here criteria should be outside or not? Subject. Okay, and total students here. Subject is computer application is equal to dcount function. Okay, and select the data. We are going to use dcount A, but I have used dcount. Okay, no problem. Here field, which field is going to be count? Subject is going to be count. And what is the criteria? Subject is equal to CA. It will show 0. Why? Because here dcount function, and count is used for number, but here we are going to count text or not, so it should be A, and enter that right now. 4 students have given the exam of computer application. You can check it out. 1 2 and 3 4 students or not? Here right now if I'm going to write OS, 3 students. Graphic designing, 2 students. Okay, one more. In a computer application, what is the maximum marks? If I'm going to use just maximum, so in all it will show maximum or not? here if I'm going to use maximum, max of all, max function, max of all. So here if you're going to see, this is showing the maximum of all or not. Here if graphic designing somebody got 95 marks, so it's showing 95 all in all, but I want to show maximum in a computer application, maximum marks in a computer application, or what is the highest marks in a computer application. So by help of same database function, and that is dmax. Which function? Dmax. Okay, criteria is same, maximum marks okay, maximum mark. Okay, here what I'm going to write here is equal to same dmax function, database same. Next one is field. Which field is going to be, which field? Subject or marks? Marks, because we are going to find out maximum in a marks. Okay, and what will be the criteria? Here subject is equal to graphic designing, subject is equal to graphic designing. So select them and shift with a shift, okay, and enter that. So 95 is the maximum or not? With shift, yeah, selection, because two I have to select these two cells. Okay, and I'm going to write computer application right now. What is the maximum marks in a computer application? That is 90. In a computer application, maximum marks is what? 90. In graphic designing, maximum marks is 95. Clear this thing or not? Okay, right now if you're going to change operating system, in OS maximum marks is also 90. Okay, and how many students have given exam? 3 students, and maximum marks is this thing. You can also write minimum marks. Okay, same thing, I'm going to use Control V here, minimum marks. Instead of maximum, I'm going to write minimum. Minimum marks. Here what I'm going to do, same function, instead of that copy the function, okay, Control C and Control V, but just change instead of max, min, and enter that. So minimum marks in operating system is 50, maximum is 90. Here if I'm going to go to the graphic designing GD, maximum marks is 95 and lowest marks is 80. Lowest marks is 80. Got this thing or not? Okay, so we have used a function dcount, dmax, dminimum, same like the average function or sat, same like that or not? Okay, so these were the functions which are most used to, or that are database functions. I have some data more and I'm going to do calculation on that, which is slight complicated, but I'm going to do that also if the data is available. The data is available, you are saying not available. Here right now I need some more data and one more function which is also too much useful, and that is dget function. Which function? Dget function. Registration number, registration number, name, subject and marks. Okay, right now while student come to me and I'm going to show result to him, so I'm going to just, let's suppose Vaidillah have done a payment, or no, yeah, Vaidillah have done a payment and he come to me and check it how's result 19, but he have seen Zia, Aziz and other marks also or not. So I don't want to show all the student marks to him, I want to show just his marks. One student marks will show, other will not show. Okay, with a filter, but I'm going to do not with a filter, I'm going to use with a function. I'm going to use function. How? Right now here enter registration number, or I'm going to write here what is the field name of this registration, registration and marks. Okay, so right now obtain marks, I'm going to write obtain marks. Right now here what I'm going to use, I'm going to use which function? Dget function. Which function I'm using? Dget function. Okay, here registration number he is going to write by itself. Right now 701 1011 like this. Okay, and I'm going to write a function is equal to dget function the get function database. First of all, select the database. Same database or not? Database, comma. Next one is field. Which field will be shown? Marks will be shown. Good. Which field will be shown? Marks will be shown. And criteria is what? Registration number enemy bosha. All in registration number each name is enemy null or num error nishon meta. I'm going to write one student registration number. Okay. Control C copy here. I'm going to. Okay. While the student come to me and he asks for marks. Okay. So I'm going to ask his registration number. What is your registration number? 701 and 10 15 0 12 not available. 701 10 16 is okay. Here 10 16 0 14. So you got 17 marks. Automatically 17 marks is showing or not?
You can add upper side.
Huh?
You can add the database.
Yeah, automatically. Here if he tell me that no sir, this is not my marks, where's my name? So I can also take his name from a database. How? Again same function. Here name, no, yeah, is equal to same dget function, dget. Here database same, comma, field. Which field is going to be shown? Name will be shown. Good. And what is the criteria? Registration number enemy bosha. Here closing bracket and enter that. So he is Aziz or not? Okay. Right now registration number change. Another student come 15. So if the student come to me, so he cannot see the whole result. I'm going to enter his registration number. Just his record will show. So this is known as a database functions. Clear this thing? Okay, go for prayer. After that, we are going to continue. Okay, I'm going to right now one more example for these database functions. One more example I'm going to give you. Here I have some data: company, model, brand, price, purchase date, sale, price, and profits. Okay, so if you're going to see here, in this database, how we calculate a profit? How we will calculate a profit? Profit chirakam paida mecha. Come on, tell me. Profit, munafa. 70,000. Ha. Chirakam mecha. How? Come on, tell me. Sale price minus purchase price or not? Yeah. Is equal to sale price minus purchase price. All it chini chon meta? Ya gata. Ha. All ya mobile ma kharidi aur mi ma farokh na kari. If I have taken one mobile and it is in my shop, okay, and I have not sale, so what will be the profit? Nothing. But what the formula you have calculated, what the formula you have used right now, I have not sale. So what is showing? Mine fee is the final option meta. Galat formula galat hai yes. Okay, mistake is there or not?
All mistake.
Okay. So how we are going to make it correct? I'm going to tell you the technique for that. Let's suppose. Okay, is equal to if, first of all check if sale price is equal to empty. Ya cheez farokh na shud. Okay, so what will show? It will show profit 0. Profit is 0. Bedune that. Okay, bedune that if sale price is not 0, so purchase price minus sale price and closing bracket and enter that right now. Oh, reverse. I have done a reverse. Sale price minus purchase price. Sale price minus 0. No. 0 selected, comma. After that, sale price minus purchase price. Closing bracket and enter that. One bracket is extra. Yeah, enter that. So 1000 showing or not? Right now, apply this formula for the other cells also. So 0 showing or not? Why? Because this item has not been sold yet. This item has been not sold yet. So therefore it is showing 0 over there. If it has been sold on 25,500. 25,500. So 500 profit is showing or not? But if it is sold, if you got a mobile on 5,000 and you're going to sell on a 4,000. Why? Because the mobile was having some problem. So you have done what? Loss or not? So minus 1000 is showing or not? Clear? This formula is correct or not? Okay, but if you delete that, so automatically 0 is showing. Okay, so this is the total data which I have. On the basis of this data, I am going to do some calculation. On the basis of this data, I am going to do some calculation. What type of calculation? One by one I am going to do that here. At the end of the day or at the end of the week, I want to check it out how many Nokia mobile I have sold, how many Nokia mobile I have purchased. Okay, so for that, which function I'm going to use? The count. How many Nokia mobile? Okay, so the count A Nokia mobiles. If I'm going to say, okay, how many N96 mobile I have sold or purchased? The count A. Got my point or not? On that day, how many profit I have done? On that day, how many profit I have done? Which function? On that day, how many profit? So D sum will be used or not? D sum. Okay. So right now, one by one, I'm going to do that. Here, company. Write company. Here, company. Nokia. Here, total mobile sale or sold. Okay, is equal to which function I'm going to use? Decount A. Select the database. Here, next one is comma. Okay, field. Which field is going to be counted? Company is going to be counted. Okay, what is the criteria? Company is equal to Nokia. Company is equal to Nokia. Closing bracket and enter that. How many mobile? 5 mobile. 5 mobile. But you want to do on a specific date. Okay, on that date, how many? Right now. But how much money I have earned in a Nokia mobile? How much money I have earned in a Nokia mobile? So the sum function I'm going to use or not? And criteria will be what? Nokia or not? Company will be Nokia. Look over here. Total, say, or total profit. Total profit is equal to D sum function and database. Okay, comma, field. Which field is going to be sum? Which field is going to be sum? Profit. I want to sum profit. Munafa here. And criteria is what? Company Nokia. So 3,800 rupees I have earned in a Nokia mobiles. In a Nokia mobile. Right now I'm going to change to the LG. This is LG. One mobile and no profit. Zero. Shiru ke nami wale farof na shud. Here LG used 5000 खरीदे वाले फरोख्त ना शुद्ध सिफर नुकसान ना शुद्ध. It is asset. Okay, so right now I'm going to write here Samsung and 1000 rupees I've earned inside it. Okay, right now one more. I'm going to check it out on specific date. While I'm going to do sale on that day, how much profit I have earned. Two things. At the end of the day, mostly people calculate two things. At the end of the day, mostly people calculate two things. One total sale, one total profit. One total sale, one total profit. So both are possible. How? Okay. Here, I'm going to write here profit, total profit. Total profit and dates, which date? Purchase date. There is no sale date available over here. Okay, let's suppose I'm going to add one more date, which is a sale date. Sale date is not there. Instead of that, so okay, purchase date is not there. We are going to make it sale date, but you're going to write the price over there again. If sale date is there, okay. So just for this one, this should be deleted. Sale date. Sale date. Okay, sale price, sale date. Right now it has not been sale, so no sale date is there, but you have purchased that. Okay, same like this one, no need of that. Okay, here on day 20 4/20/2010, 4/20/2010, how much sale or how much profit I have done. How much profit I have done. So I can calculate that. Okay. So write the date, total profit, and purchase date, or sorry, sale date was there or not? This is criteria. Okay. Sale date, and it also written here sale date. Yes. Okay. Here total profit, write one date here. If you are not going to write, I am not going to use. Okay. Is equal to dsum function database, comma, which field is going to be sum? Which field is going to be sum?
Sale price.
Profit is going to be sum. Profit, because I need profit. Total profit is there or not? Profit is going to be sum. And what is criteria? Sale date. दो तो सारे इंतखाब को okay. This is total profit showing. 4,800. But if I'm going to write a date here, on that date profit is going to be shown. Okay, I'm going to write 4/20/2010. That date is 10 here. Therefore, here. So how much profit I have earned on this date? Say so. Okay. So you're going to enter date. Automatically, it will calculate a profit for you. Okay. I want to check it out. This is profit and total purchases. Karobar. How much money I've used. Okay, to earn this profit. How much money I've used to earn this profit. You can also find out that or not. Okay, on products. On that date, so this is not one day. On one day you're going to sell one mobile. On one day you're going to sell one mobile. Ne, yak olima jamme kunam 2000 yak chandas sisat diga each on the same date 1700 1000 diga chansu dole sita jam kole 6700 diya na shud. And this is going to be shown by a formula easily. Understand? Clear? So if I want to check how much money I've used to earn this profit, total sale, in my box, in my drawer, how much money is there? How much money will be available? Okay? Okay? So that is also going to be here total sale. So that will be total money is equal to dsum, again dsum of all data, comma, sale price. It should be okay. Field will be what? Sale price, and criteria is what? No, criteria is this date. Sale date is equal to this thing. Closing bracket. Understand this thing? 64,300. 64,300. And in your drawer, the total money will be in your drawer. Total money will be this plus profit. Okay, right now we are going to use some text functions. Some text functions we are going to use. Okay. Text functions. Right now in a text function, mostly in Excel, if you have text and you want to separate them, okay, so we use the functions for them. I'm going to just firstly write 2 or 3 functions for them here. First one is left function. Okay, I'm going to write it down. Left function. Another one right function. Third one length function. Fourth one is I think so these 3 functions are using mostly. And search function, search function. So these 4 functions are using while you want to separate the field data. Okay, I want if I'm going to write here in a cell, if I'm going to write Kabul, Afghanistan, let's suppose our first name and last name has been written. Okay, Masood Arif. This has been written. So how I'm going to another cell, automatically first name will come and last name will come. How this will be separated? So we are going to use the function which are the text function. We are going to use that. How? Here, first one, first name, and the second one, last name. First name, it will be easy for you, but for last name it's slightly, the function will be slightly difficult, but I'm going to do that. Why it has been gone? Oh god. Here, so we were using this thing, and I'm going to use for first name Masood Khan. Okay, and from left side this thing, insert space -1. Okay, here is equal to left of this cell. Okay, left of this cell. Right now, comma means start from this cell, and how many character it will move? It will move up to Mahmood D or not? It will move up to Mahmood D. So here it will search space. It will search what? Space. Then it will go. If you're going to here, I'm going to. It will search space inside it. Means up to which character it will move. So right function search. Okay. Search. Find what? Find space inside it. So this is a space. Find space inside it. And in which text? In Masood Arif or not? Okay, and start. Okay, done. Right now -1 also, because it will search space, it will leave one backspace from that, and closing bracket, enter that. Look over here, Masood has been selected or not? Automatically. Okay, so what is the function doing here? Just I'm going to explain that. Here, start from the cell. In which cell? This cell. Okay, and go up to that character, go up to that character where space is there. Go to that character where space is there. So it will come up to here. Okay, and I have written -1. So means one step also back. One step also back over there. So Masood is easily find out or not? Right now change. If I'm going to write Kabul, so automatically Kabul has been selected or not? Afghanistan is not showing. Right now, for last name, how we are going to do that? It is slightly difficult, but I'm going to do that also for you. A function here, Masood. Right now, for last name, what I'm going to do, I'm going to write a function is equal to right. You're going to write right function, and inside that, here, first of all, text. Okay, the cell address inside that start from right side. Inside that start from right side. Okay, and we are going to write the total length of the text. Total length. So total length is, for that we're going to use function len. Which function? Length of this text. Okay, and closing bracket. From that, what I'm going to minus from that, how much length a previous one we have. So right now minus search. Search what? Find text inside it where space is there. Find space inside it, and comma, in which text? In which text? In this text. Closing bracket 1 and 2, and enter that. So Arif has been selected or not?
No.
Okay, so here if I'm going to write Kabul, Afghanistan, in the first Kabul will be there, in the second one Afghanistan will be there. Okay, yeah, you can do by hand, but if I'm going to show you a